In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Explorer to study chess openings. We'll walk through how to open the tool, make your first move, read the statistics it shows, dig deeper into specific lines, and switch between different game databases so you can study the positions that matter most to you. To begin, open the Explorer from anywhere by hovering over the More option on the left menu and selecting Explorer. This takes you straight to a board with a companion panel that provides data about the position you're looking at. Now start moving. You can make your first move directly on the board, for example, playing a simple 1e4, or you can click that move from the list that appears. Either approach updates the position instantly. The advantage of using the list is that you see what's commonly played before you commit, while moving on the board can feel faster and more natural. Use whichever feels right for you. As soon as you make a move, the right panel updates with statistics for that exact position. You'll see a move list of popular replies, often with the most played option at the top. Next to each candidate move, you'll find three key pieces of information. First, win percentages. How often white wins, how often games are drawn, and how often black wins from this position. Second, the total game count for that move, which shows how frequently it has appeared in the database. Third, the relative popularity, which helps you spot mainstream choices versus sidelines. Treat these numbers as guideposts, not guarantees. A move with a high win rate, but very few games can be misleading, while a large sample size can give you more confidence in the trend. To deepen your study, click any move in the list to advance to the next position. With each click, you build out an opening line, step by step. Follow a sequence you're curious about, or branch to compare alternatives. This is a great way to see typical plans and find continuations you might not have considered on your own. Finally, use the database filters at the top to tailor what you're seeing. The Masters tab focuses on games by strong players, which can highlight reliable main lines. My Games draws only from your own games, helping you identify patterns and recurring mistakes in your repertoire. Player lets you explore positions from a specific player's games, useful if you're preparing for someone or studying a favorite model player. That's it. Open Explorer, make a move, read the stats, click deeper, and choose the database that fits your goal.